Welcome back to the channel, fellow techies. Today we are diving into cybersecurity with a step-by-step guide on how to install Kali Purple in VirtualBox. Maybe the term Kali Purple is new to some people. It can be a perfect tool for your digital adventures, whether you are blue teaming or red teaming. Kali has all kinds of built-in tools to help in your fields. So to get started, we have to first enable virtualization in our machines. You can check the screen. It is my HP laptop. So here I have to press F10 to get into the BIOS. So you can check what I am doing. After turning on the virtualization, we have to download the VirtualBox software. Let's head into the VirtualBox site, and that is next we have to click on download button, and we are downloading for Windows, so clicking on Windows host. So I want to download in desktop and save. The downloading is done. Let's go ahead and open the installer. Just follow the instruction and click on next. I will set all those into default. Next we are going to download the Kali Purple ISO. Let's head into the browser. And I will add the links in the description. Scrolling down, and there you can see the Kali Purple. Let's download it. As I have already downloaded the ISO file, and so I am not downloading it again, so I am going to cancel it, and let's start installing. Open the VirtualBox and then click on new. I am going to name it Kali Purple, then selecting the ISO, heading to desktop and Kali, select it and open, then click on next. I am going to assign around 3 GB of memory space, then 2 processor counts, clicking on next and finish, and that's it. Let's start the VirtualBox. And you can see it is starting. Yes, graphical install. It will take some time in first installation. Just have patience. Clicking on continue and again continue. Just giving a random address here. Continue. The time zone will be changed accordingly, so you have to keep that in mind. Here we can see the hostname. I will just keep these in default and click on continue. Username, let's make it Kali. Same username. Password root hash. Yes, the clock I am giving just random. And guys, don't worry, if we do anything wrong, it's still a virtual box. It won't affect our real machine. uh, in this page I will select the guided entire disk. For new users the default is good. Continue and finish. So you can see here it's asking for permission to install the grub bootloader. Yes, we definitely need the grub bootloader, and just select the partition and click on continue. And guys, the installation is done. Let's continue. Click on continue and we will turn off the virtual machine. No, it will reboot. Let's pause it and check it out. So the Kali purple is booting for the first time. We will enter the username, which is Kali, and the password was root hash. And here we are welcomed with the XFCE desktop environment. I will put this virtual machine in full screen mode with Ctrl plus F. It is now full screen. So you can see here Kali purple exclusive tools are here, and you can try out each in different days and work around. And so that's it for this video. Thank you. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.